Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video I'll show you how can you contact AliExpress chat support. For that you have to click over the link which is given in the description down below and you will get on this page. After that you can do the same from your smartphone as well. Now after that you have to select a few options which is given in it, and for example I have issue regarding the product refund, so I'm going to apply for that. You can select the same or you can go with your own. Now I'm going to click over the chat now. Now here you can see a new tab is opened and it says Eva has been allotted. Yes, this is the predefined robot. So she's asking me about what kind of product or the order ID is troubling you or you have queries with. For example, I have queries regarding the first order that I placed using this AliExpress, and now you can see the Eva is asking me few more questions about the product, like what is the actual query, you haven't received it, or what is the actual issue. So I'm going to answer all the predefined questions which is merged with Eva. So after answering all the questions by Eva, she is going to enable chat now option. So you can see the chat now option is visible now. I can click over the chat now and it will allot me a real person that I can talk to. So I'm going to click over chat now, and after that you need to wait for a few seconds and you will be allotted with a real person. Now with the real person you can explain all your problems. So now you can see the Eva, the robot assistant is not anymore here, so I am talking to the real person. So I think this customer representative is a girl. No problem, I'm going to explain her everything, and I am explaining her I placed an order a month ago and I haven't get that. So please help me raise a dispute. So I'm explaining her everything. You can explain your own issues, like whatever the queries is about the product, like or for example, you have placed you are facing troubles with the shipping, tracking, and so far. So you can explain everything to her. Now, this person is asking me about the order ID and everything. And after all the problem, she suggested me to wait for 1 February. And this is not that much time. No problem. I can wait till 1 February. And she's asking me a few more questions, and that's all. So she's suggesting me to wait for 1 Feb, and if I don't get that after one, she will raise a dispute. So this is how you can ask to the real person on AliExpress using this chat now section. So similar to this, you can raise your own problem and you can end this chat with feedback like you are satisfied or not. So if it was helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.